I know. What's up? I be dancing. Bruce like, and you're on. I'm like, I know. Guys, look, welcome to another awesome episode of the Jean Malo Davis Show, which is every Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here on Facebook, my Facebook regular page, Jean Malo Davis, on YouTube, which is youtube.com/Jean Malo Davis, and of course, Twitter, correct? Twitter, just go Jean Malo Davis. We're right there. And I am so, first of all, let me just say thank you to everybody guys, you guys are awesome. I'm going to make some announcements when we come back from the commercial break. But I just want to say thank you to everybody that support us. We love you guys. Thank you for your questions, your comments. Thank you for letting us know how you like the show. Thank you guys for your support. And I'm going to talk about some more stuff in a little bit. You're watching the Jean Malo Davis Show, which is about information and inspiration to impact the nation. It's about having total prosperity in every area of your life. What's that? Mentally, spiritually, physically, financially, emotionally, as well as relationship wise. It's every Thursday at 7:30 p.m. We're going to come right back, guys. We're going to go to a commercial. But what we're going to talk about right now, what's so awesome that you need to know, is about the IRS writing off millions of dollars around this time of the year of taxpayers' debt and how you can take advantage of that. You're watching the Jean Malo Davis Show. We'll be right back after this commercial break. Stay tuned. And we're back. Thank you for coming back, guys. Listen, you're watching the Jean Malo Davis Show every Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. First of all, I just want to say thank you again. Thank you. We have had such an incredible week. I just want to say thank you. So many people went and purchased this book, I Am a Wealthy Woman Because I Refuse to Be Abused. My Road to Total Prosperity. Guys, a lot of you guys, you took pictures of the book, you sent it to me, you let me know that you had it in hand, and also some people took pictures with the book. We're asking you, we're going to do something very powerful with that. If you purchase the book, just have somebody, ladies go get glammed up, brothers go get handsome up, and take a picture with the book. And you'll see, I'm going to send the link where we're putting this. We just want to show people that all around the globe, people are buying this book. And I just want to say thank you so much. It is my first book that is published. I did not self-publish it. Xulon Press is my publisher. They have taken very good care of me. And of course, we're on Amazon.com. We're on BarnesandNoble.com. But XulonPress.com, that's XULON press.com. You can pick this book up, or of course, again, or you can go to Amazon.com or BarnesandNoble.com. I tell the story. I start off with the book of telling the story of me at the time marrying really, really young, having 4 children. And I share the story of me being a mom and being abandoned by my ex with 4 kids over a stranger house, and what I went through to fight out of that, being homeless, struggling, trying to take care of my children, being in depression, and still happen to go out here and take care of my kids. I talk about what I did and what I realized when it happened. I really tell people it really was a blessing because I told myself, as the Jews always say, never again. I promised myself I would never be in a situation where I totally depend on a man solely. Now, I say that as a happily married woman. And my husband, when we got married, he told me I didn't have to work. I didn't have to do any of that stuff. You know, I could just write books if I want to. When I told him, I said, baby, I really appreciate that. But your wife got big dreams, big goals, things of that nature. And you're marrying a partner. There's nothing wrong if you want to stay at home and be a stay-at-home mom, and your husband go out and get the bread and the turkey, the bacon and all that, the turkey bacon, and you fry it up in the pan and you be the great mother that you are. There's nothing wrong with that. What I would say, make sure that you're privy to the finances, what's going on in your household, that you're able to increase your financial IQ, that you also create another stream of income. Because with all that's going on in the world, everything that's going on in the world right now, people are losing their jobs. People are walking away from jobs. I'm just really this is another conversation. I might do a special show this weekend. But you got doctors walking away from their jobs. You got police officers walking away from their jobs. You got different people that we need on a daily basis walking away from their job because they don't want to deal with the Vaseline. You understand what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying when I say that. They don't want to do that. And so we got a whole nother dilemma that is happening that's going to require you to think outside the box, to be quick thinking, fast moving, right down to the modern day times. We show you how you can earn six figures right from the comforts of your own home. If you want to know more about that, guys, just say, Jean, I need more info, and I'll send it to you directly. But we just want to say thank you to everybody that purchased the book. In this book right here, I'm very passionate about it because I tell the story of going broke, busted, and disgusted, to having total prosperity in every area of my life, being happily married, building multiple businesses, traveling, been on Good Day Atlanta, Good Morning America, worked with Danny Glover, Fran Tarkin, and Jack Zuffa, all these different people, been on countless radio shows, Fox News, all those different things. And guys, building multiple streams of income, rebranded myself about a year or so ago as Jean Malo Davis, the wealth creator, made six figures in 4 months, turned around, did it again in 3 months. Now we're on a mad dash to multiple seven figures that we're getting that done. Okay. And I don't say that to brag or boast, but I do say it that I want you to go pick up this book. Mother, brother, sister, cousin, it don't matter. Yes, I'm a wealthy woman because I refuse to be abused. But guess what? Men can read it too. And if you love your wives, you love your daughters, your nieces, your cousins, whatever, and you love yourself, you want to make sure that you go pick up this book. You can go to Amazon.com, BarnesandNoble.com, ZulonPress.com, and Zulon is spelled XULON press.com. Guys, get it ordered. Read it. It's going to really empower you because it's going to talk about finance. It's going to talk about increasing your financial IQ. It's going to talk about how to build wealth. It's going to dive into all about financial, but then it's going to deal with the mental. It's going to give you some personal development. It's going to talk about the spiritual. It's going to talk about the physical. It's going to talk about building relationships and things of that nature. It overall is an excellent book. And I don't say that because I wrote it. I say it because, guys, it is. It took 9 years for this book to come into fruition because of all the things that was going on in my life that I don't want to put it out yet. But I'm so happy that from prayers and fasting and trusting and believing in God and healing myself and God healing me and purging negativity, getting rid of mess, getting rid of stinking thinking, working on myself, personal development every day, and prayer. Guess what? Hey, this was the time to do it. I'm happily married. I'm in the right place at the right time, doing the right thing. So I can go on and on and on, but go pick up this book. It's going to be a blessing. And guess what? Pick up several of them because Christmas is coming up soon. This would be a great, great gift to give to those you love, right? Okay. So guys, listen, with that being said, we're talking about right now at this time is the best time if you owe the IRS over 10K or more, this is the best time, guys, to get that debt settled. Let me turn my guy a little feedback right here. That is the best time to get that debt settled. Here's why. Because normally around this time, like I said, I used to work for an Internal Revenue Service as an auditor. They gave me the responsibility of examining and auditing taxpayers. Now, normally around about this time, October, November, December, we're in the last quarter of the year, just like all companies do. All companies look at the budget. They look where they are. They look at the debt versus the income that they have, the expenses that they have, debt, expenses, income, and they look at where do we need to trim the fat? What do we need to let go of? So our budgets, our planning, our finances is out of the red and in the green going into the next following year. Okay, so what do? With the Internal Revenue Service, they write off millions and millions of dollars on tax debt. Thank you, honey. Thank you. Yay. They write off millions and millions of dollars from tax debt. So what does that mean for you, sir, ma'am, taxpayer? That means that this is the best time to submit an offer, to have someone, which we can help you with that, have someone to help you to get your tax debt eradicated. And there are some things that you need to do. And you can go to TIFFISLLC.com. That's TIFFISLLC.com. Go there, fill out the contact us form, and let us know that, hey, look, when the questions, what you need help with, I need help selling tax debt. Now, if you owe less than 10K, there's no reason to contact us about that. You can settle that. You can contact us for a free consult. But you wouldn't need to retain my services. I wouldn't even do that to you. That's something that you can settle yourself. Very simplistic. But I'm talking to those who owe over 10K. You owe over 10K. You've been dealing with this debt for a long time. You're paralyzed by the debt. You're afraid that the IRS is going to start garnishing your wages, putting a lien on your home, things of that nature. What do you need to do? You need to contact our office, TIFFISLLC.com. That's TIFFIS, TIFFIS, LLC.com. Go there and fill the form out, the contact us form. Now, and we're going to make sure we get it solved. Hold on a second. I love it because we had a guy recently who owed the IRS over $60,000, I believe. We have been working with that man case for over 2 years because some people give up. You know, when the C hit in 2020, it messed up everybody. It messed up the Internal Revenue Service, other government agencies, some people walking away from the IRS as well because of, they don't want to get the jab. And so there's a lot of madness that's going on. A lot of things are behind and people are contacting our office and like, when will I get my refund and all this madness? But this guy, I told him, I said, listen, I'm willing to do the dance. I used to work for the Internal Revenue Service. I used to be an auditor. I know the spiel. We got to make sure things are done right. Looking with an inside scoop from my auditor eyes, looking at the forms that we had to submit and things of that nature, making sure we get everything right, making sure we're getting, turning in everything that the IRS asks for, not leaving any questions or white space or things of that nature to make them say, we need to dive further. This don't look right. But, I know what they look for. So basically, been dealing with that for 2 years with this gentleman. And finally, we were able to get the offer accepted, which I'm so excited about. But guys, we knocked out 80% of the debt. You do the math. What is 80% of what? 60,000. He only paid 20% of the debt. Well, that's only $12,000. You hear me, Bruce? $12,000 out of 60, we were able to get that offer. And now this man, other 80% is eradicated, and he chose to pay that off within a year. But he could pay it off in 2 years if he wanted to. But you got to be willing to do the work. You got to be willing to, if you contact our office, you retain us, and you say, Gene, I need your help. I owe the IRS 20, 30, 40,000. Take your auditor experience and help me. I don't know what to do. What I want to tell you, please don't contact our office if you're not teachable and coachable. Please don't contact our office if you don't respond in a timely manner. When I'm contacting you and I'm telling you I need dust, and we got a certain time to get this in, look, if you're not willing to do that, then please don't contact our office, because I don't have time, nor do I have the desire to work with people who are unworkable. I'm looking for people who, they're teachable, they're coachable. They're saying, Gene, you know what? I'm willing to do what you're able to teach me. I'm willing to get you the paperwork that you need, whatever you request. I'm willing to do it. I'm following instructions so we can have a win-win situation. Here's what you don't know. Over the last 20 years, I boldly and proudly say we have eradicated millions of dollars in taxpayer debt for our clients. Let's get where that thing at. Woo! Millions, I said, millions. How many people can say that they have helped, got rid of millions of tax debt over the last 20 years for our clients? And we can help you do the same thing. Guys, when we come back, I'm going to give you some instructions on what you need to do in order to get this eradicated. You're watching the Gene Malo Davis Show every Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Information and inspiration. That's what we're about. And we'll be right back after this commercial break. I'm free, I'm finally free, I'm finally free. Listen, you can do anything you want to do as long as you believe it and you're ready to receive it. And that's the most important thing. You have to be ready to receive it. Hi, I'm Gene Davis. I'm the founder and CEO of Tiffis LLC, as well as TWC, Tiffis Wealth Creators. Listen, I remember years ago, I was a single mom struggling with 4 kids. I was abandoned with my 4 kids, guys, over a friend house, and I didn't know what I was going to do. I didn't know where I was going to stay. I didn't know how I was going to survive, but I made a promise to myself. I said, God, if I get out of this situation, my children will never have to worry about money again. They'll never have to worry about being in a situation. So I pulled myself up by my bootstraps, guys. I found the mentor. I found the coach. I found someone to help me to become financially free. And guys, I thank God for mentors. I thank God so much for coaches, because guys, my mentor, my coach helped transform my mindset so I can attract wealth. And guess what? I became the first millionaire in my family and not the last. But I'm here to help people who are struggling, people who have been in the same situations that I've been in. Whether you're a single mom, single dad, you're a teacher, you're an accountant, guys, you're a student, you're a mother, you're a father, whatever you're doing. Maybe you're sick and tired of being sick and tired. Maybe you're looking for time freedom. You're looking for money freedom. You want to know how you can brand yourself. You want to know how you can build your business. You want to know how you can do anything. Well, guys, listen, what I want you to do, I want you to go ahead, click on the link below. I want to invite you to a community of winners, a community of wealth creators, doctors, lawyers, teachers, business owners who are learning how to build their business on the web. They're learning how to be audit proof in their business. They're learning how to become financially free. They're learning about automation,
and guys, they're learning how to brand themselves. And I want to show you what I did and how you could be a part of a strong community and become financially free and have time freedom, money freedom to do whatever you want to do whenever you want to do it. So my name is Jean Davis. I am a wealth creator. Listen, go ahead and click on the link below. Click on the link below so we could go ahead and get you started and help you become a wealth creator too. I'll see you on the other side. Take care.
All right, we are back. We're talking about eradicating IRS debt. And I said earlier, for those who don't know me, my name is Jean Malo Davis. I'm an ex-IRS auditor with over 20 years tax and financial experience. I am a wealth creator. I am an author, speaker, and coach. And I'm so excited. Today, we are talking about, or tonight, or whenever you watch this, we're talking about eradicating tax debt and selling tax debt if you owe over 10K. Now, here's the thing that I want to share with you. Again, during this time, October, November, December, this is the best time. If you owe the IRS over 10K or more, this is the best time to get that debt settled. And the reason why, just like every other company has year end where they're trying to cut budget, reorganize the budget, get out of the red, get in the green, just like any other corporate entity would do that. So is the Internal Revenue Service. They do the same thing. They write off, you can Google this, that the IRS writes off millions of tax debt. So what does that mean for you? That means that, guys, with the Fresh Start initiative that's going on right now, the same as doing an offer and compromise, this is the time that it would be wise for you to go ahead and get it submitted. But first things first, one of the things you want to make sure that you're not in bankruptcy. You do not want to be in bankruptcy, because if you're in bankruptcy, guess what? I can't help you. I do apologize. I can't do anything with that. If you, what's the other thing? If you don't have your taxes up to date. Okay, October the 15th is the tax deadline for those who did extensions. So if you did an extension and you haven't got your 2020 taxes done and you want to file an offer, well, you're going to have to get that 2020 done or you submit that offer after the 15th. Okay, because if you have to be current, all tax years have to be current before you do an offer. So you can't be in bankruptcy. All your tax years have to be current. Also, too, if you did an innocent spouse claim, you need to make sure that has been settled before you file for this OIC. Now, also, guys, you want to make sure that you contact our office. You can contact our office by going to TIFFISLLC.com. That's TIFFIS that's TWC is scrolling down below, but TIFFISLLC.com. That's TIFFISLLC.com. You want to go there. You want to fill out the contact us form. Let us know that you are current in your tax years. If you're not current in your tax years, you need to get current. You need to let us know that so we can help you with that. And then let us know that how much you owe with the Internal Revenue Service. Again, this is not for those who owe $9,999, none of that, and $10,000. No, a little over $10,000 or more. We want to help settle that tax debt because we don't want to waste your time, nor do we want to take your money for something that we feel that you can settle yourself. So that's the main thing. So again, make sure that you got your tax years up to date. Make sure you haven't filed bankruptcy because we can't do anything with that. Make sure that you settled the innocent spouse claim if you have that. Guys, make sure that you look at what your budget is. Yeah, is it going to cost any money to get this debt settled? Absolutely, our retainer costs. But, it doesn't cost for you to call in or fill out a form and get a free 30-minute consult with us so we can see if we can help you, if we can assist you with your tax debt. Doesn't cost. You can go to tiffisllc.com. That's tiffisllc.com, and you can fill out that contact form. It's free. It's free. Fill it out. One of our members will get in touch with you, or myself will get in touch with you to go ahead and either schedule a phone consult or Zoom meeting or whatever, or, you know, to let you know, hey, look, we're available now. So this is the best time. I wasn't going to go long because there's nothing to go long about, right? Get your, if you owe the Internal Revenue Service, it's quite simple. This is the time to get it settled. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you want to call our office, you can call 678-457-9493. Again, 678-457-9493. Ask to speak to Jean Malo Davis. I'll be here to answer your questions. Or again, if you're shy and you're like, okay, I want her to contact me, fill out that contact us form. Make sure you get that filled out, and then we'll contact you to make sure that we set it up. Guys, this is the best time. You can sleep at night. Go in the drawer tonight. Go get with a hubby, get with the wife, get with the friend, or get with yourself. Me, myself, and I. Go in that drawer. You know you got it. You got the letters hiding, thinking that tax debt don't go away if you don't open up that envelope. You can be so much farther away from the truth. It's still there. And if you're not careful, the IRS will do what we call substitute returns, and they will file your return themselves at the highest tax rate. And then on top of it, once they get that filed, guys, they can look to send letters to your job and talk about, hey, look, they're going to garnish your wages, or they can, if they've been trying to get in touch with you and they've been sending letters out of letters, and you haven't contacted them, guess what? Sometimes, guys, they'll go ahead and take your money out your bank account, and then people call my office and they get frantic. Oh my God, the IRS went into my bank account. The IRS contact my job, and oh my God, what am I going to do? And I'm just saying right now, while the fire is kind of like really, really low, it's not explosive, let's go ahead and get that tax debt taken care of by a former IRS auditor that has an inside scoop to help you to eradicate this tax debt so you can sleep better at night. So go to tiffisllc.com, or call our office 678-457-9493, 678-457-9493. Again, 678-457-9493. Schedule a consult so we can help you with your tax debt. Guys, that's all I wanted to talk about today. Again, we're so very grateful and thankful. Pick up this book, I'm a Wealthy Woman Because I Refuse to Be Abused, My Road to Total Prosperity. I'm an author, y'all. So excited. Thank you to everybody that purchased the book, guys, and got your book copy this week. It released on the 29th of September. We're so excited, so motivated, so encouraged. And we just want to say thank you to all those who love us, support us, and trust us to deliver the truth, nothing but the truth, and to help you to achieve total prosperity in every area of your life. Hey, look, you've been watching the Jean Malo Davis Show. I pray that you have a great weekend. Guys, go do something fun. Go do something fun. Spend some time with your loved one. Just have a good time and be safe, be careful, and be wise. Thank you for watching. My name is Jean Malo Davis. I am a wealth creator. You're a wealth creator too. And you can have, be, do anything. God bless and take care.